Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install GitHub Copilot CLI on Windows step by step. If you have been using GitHub Copilot inside VS Code, you already know how powerful it is for writing code. But did you know you can now use Copilot directly in your command line? So let's get started and set it up on Windows. First, GitHub Copilot CLI requires Node.js because it's distributed as an NPM package. Download the LTS version for Windows and install it with default settings. Once installed, open your command prompt and type npm. If it shows the npm command, you can make sure that Node is installed in your system. Now let's install the GitHub Copilot CLI package globally. Use this same command to download and install the CLI tool. Once installed, test it using Copilot command. As you can see, the Copilot is installed successfully in the system. Now you can generate AI-powered help right inside your terminal, whether you are scripting, debugging, or exploring code. Here, click Yes to trust the folder. Now let's log into your GitHub account using the command login. Choose the first option here. Now hit enter and paste the code copied from your terminal. Once logged in, you are ready to use Copilot CLI. Let's try a quick example. And that's it. You have successfully installed and configured GitHub Copilot CLI on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you faced any issues or want me to cover advanced Copilot CLI usage next time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.